Welcome everyone! Your iPhone Air won't charge to 100%, so it's either stuck on 80, 85, 90, 95, whatever it is. The good news is this is not a hardware fault, this is just a setting we need to change. So let's start by opening up settings, then scroll all the way down until you see battery, then scroll down again and we're going to look for the charging option, and in here you have a charge limit and it might be set to 80 or whatever it is. Just slide this up to 100% and then change charging limit. You want to make sure you set limit to 100%. If you just allow until tomorrow, then the next day the limit goes back down. So set limit to 100% and then we're good to go. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thanks. If you have any questions, any concerns, this video didn't help you, leave your comments in the comment section and I'll try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.